Hello again. Hello, hello, hello. I just unboxed GOT7's album. That was probably the video prior to this one, but this one is gonna be Map of the Soul, special edition lightstick. Sorry, I couldn't think of the words. This is from Coco Dive. Amazing online shop. I live in Australia and they get the parcels to me, which is amazing. Shipping is not that bad. It's a little bit extra. Normally they offer free shipping, but because of COVID-19 and coronavirus and all that kind of thing, they're only doing, you have to pay for shipping. Which is okay, because if they're still kind of cheaper than what I would normally pay. But this is the Army Bomb. Ah! Ooh! Ooh, that's cool. It's like got the two symbols. It's got like the BTS symbol and then the army symbol. That's cool. I have been following BTS since maybe I first listened to one of their songs. Ooh, it's a bit like marked. In 2017. I used to download their music on iTunes, and the first song that I downloaded was Fire. And that was at the start of 2017. I discovered them through my roommate. She was from Malaysia and she used to play, there's a channel in Australia called SBS Pop Asia, and they play an hour of K-pop every like Sunday morning. And that song by BTS came on. This is cool. Oh, you can see me. Hello. I'm gonna move behind the camera. And that song came on and I just was like, oh, that's pretty cool. So I downloaded it. First K-pop like I'd ever listened to. It's Light. And I just happened to like that song, and it was a BTS song. So I downloaded it. I didn't really get into K-pop again though when, oh, cute! At the end of 2018, so right before, it was the day before the Idol music video came out. And here's the instructions. And my friend came over and she started showing me some stuff on Instagram of BTS. And she's like, oh, who do you think is, like, she went straight for who do you think is the best looking and all that kind of thing. And every time I picked Jungkook, like, I didn't even, like, know who each of them were. And I was a bit, blind to knowing who was who for quite some time, but I could always pick Jungkook and RM, because RM strangely just like stood out for me as well. I'm not going to tell you my bias because I don't know. I could tell you. I'll tell you like later on down the line. So you better come back and watch more to find out who my bias is. I'm pretty sure this is just a QR code. Yeah, it's just, yeah. So, although I'll have to try and not make much noise as I go through these, so you won't know who my bias is. Hi, Jin. One of my closest friends, her bias is Jin. Yoongi. My cousin's bias is Yoongi. I'm pretty sure in another video I said that not many people that I know are into K-pop. This is the backs, by the way. It's just like, got their initials. And yet I'm like, oh, this person's in this person's in that. My cousin's 16, so it's really, really good to meet up with her and just talk about K-pop. J-pop. And another one of my friends, her bias is V, Taeyang. Jimin! Hey, Jimin. That ring looks really big. He's got tiny hands, so yeah. His eyes look so like insane. Those contacts, man. Taeyang. He could be my bias. he's my friend's bias though. So I send her a lot of stuff, like on Instagram about him. And Jungkook. Hello, JK. Cute. I'm so like torn about whether I like him with short hair or long hair. Just both. Just any hair. Do what you want. Live your life. His finger looks really long. Anyway. And back to Namjoon. I love when Namjoon does a little winky thing. So cute. So cute. I can't pick a favourite. Why would I want to pick a favourite? Yeah, cool. They're actually quite thin feeling, which, oh, I thought that I actually like bent that. I would have just died then. They're actually quite thin, which is okay. They're real. They're real. Then you got a bag. Oh. Bag that says BTS. It doesn't say ARMY, it says BTS. Cool. And then the strap. This is strange. I thought that this one came with the silver strap. I swear these ones came with silver straps. I do like the black strap better, but I thought that was with the version 3. Yeah, don't know. And lastly, the army bomb, which you can see me in. I'm in workout gear. I just went for a walk. Got the red bit. And I'm pretty sure that on the back it says map of the soul. We have this changes the speed of the light, and pretty sure up is the light on, down is to connect to closet mode or the like to your phone to change colour. It says BTS on this side, and this side it says ARMY. And for some strange reason, mine has like this line going around it. Can you see that? It looks like it's been like rubbed up against the box. It doesn't have texture to it. I'm going to put some batteries in it and we can test it. I'm going to close my blinds as well, so it's going to get dark. I only have random batteries. You unscrew this end and oh, and it has the symbols down here as well. Unscrew this end. I'll take this out. Just like that. Cool. And up for on. Whoa! That's so bright! My god. You can still see the line around it though. I don't know. That might just be me focusing on that. I can see it though. That's cool. Ooh. Warning if you have epilepsy. Ooh, really big warning if you have epilepsy. Whoa! Jeez, it's making my camera go weird. Ooh, fading in and out. And just on. And then you click down to go into Bluetooth mode. So I might connect this to my phone and close my blinds. Right, so I'm an idiot. I didn't realise I'm actually using my phone. So this is an iPad. Hey iPad. Let me just... There we go. So you're gonna go, that's for concert, so stealth mode. And then SE is special edition, and then connect. Sorry, this is like, you can't really see it. So connecting. Oh, I gotta put it on Bluetooth. Pair. Are we ready, kids? Aye, Captain. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Wow, my camera does not pick up the beautifulness. Oh. I'm trying to do it smoothly. Oh, purple, I purple you. Oh, the pink is definitely my favorite. Wow, that does not look pink on my camera. This is like a really, really bright pink, but it looks purple on my camera. Damn, Daniel. Ooh, red. Yellow, that does not look yellow. Okay, the only way to describe how beautiful this is that you need to get it in person. Like, oh, wow. Oh, I just opened something strange on the iPad. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, you need to just get it in person. Ooh, that looks really bright through there. And like, I know that they're a bit expensive, but I didn't want to buy it at, ooh, that's better. I didn't want to buy it at the concert because I went to the Super M concert recently and the line for the merch there, my gosh, I would have just preferred to have come with the Army Bomb. I love it. Love it so much. Well done, BTS. Oh, did not mean to do that. I forgot to do this. This is a BT21 Brickbear figure. And Cocodive was offering these for free if you spent a certain amount of money. And I can kind of see why, because I'm not gonna lie, they're like kind of like low-key, kind of ugly. I don't know what they were thinking with these. The one that I would probably want is the one that looks the best. Maybe Koya or Van, or these two. These two look amazing. Like, I've seen them and I want one of these two. If I get one of these two, I will literally just like die. I don't want to break this, so I might get scissors. Okay, well, I broke it. Which is a shame, but I opened the bottom. Here we go. No way! I got one of the special editions. I mean, special edition? I don't know what to call them. I got one of they're called the special ones. I got one of these ones. I've seen the other one that has like all of the characters like all over it. That one is really cool, but this one, yes! Yes! I might actually keep this. Not that I wasn't going to keep the other one, but I might actually keep this on display. Oh, it's so cute! Look at all the characters. Please focus. Ah! Awesome! I'm so happy with that. Yay. I don't know why I've kept the iPad in there, but there's all the cards. Wonderful. Thank you for coming to my unboxing. This channel is only new. Please like, subscribe, and do all that, or you don't have to. Like, if you just want to pop by every now and again and check out what I'm doing. I have another YouTube channel. It's mostly just my traveling, but as you know, you can't really travel with coronavirus happening. So anyway, cool. Please follow me. Talk to you later. Goodbye.